my job to record this stuff.
Shut up. Get on top of a tree.
Yeah, get high ground, you know.
Play Fortnite.
There's no way we lose, right? We're actually the worst players if we lose.
Imagine though. No, Azathoth it. No. Okay, let's. Oh. I don't know.
I'm about to say they spawned a whole fucking Fiscus here. They spawned the whole Fiscus in the middle of the fucking map.
I think Azathoth only works in. Like,
what is this?
like,
This
main
one guy
area.
is asking, can I have Omega Death Sight permanently? Where's IQ? Can I have it permanently, guys? You can't even spawn. I don't even spawn any enemies.
Give us another log. What the fuck are we're gonna do about this?
Azathoth? Does it not have a spawn ID?
It's gonna get crashed.
Guys, I assure you, at least a third of the people in the server is gonna get
Omega Death Sight still exists.
You're getting
Yuki
crashed,
and-
100%.
Yuki and Saren have it. Yuki and Saren have Omega Death Sight. I don't know if anyone else does.
Right.
I spawned Rex like 2 minutes ago.
I'm so slow. What the fuck?
This man has Equinox cat. Fucking done, bro. Man has fucking Equinox dollars. Gilga coin.
Gilga coin.
Hours with stocks. What the fuck, man?
Moxon, do you have all? Like, do you actually have it? No, that is honestly surprising.
BCW
Wait,
version
so I
of
think-
Elon Musk.
Oh
Shoot
my
that
god.
Shoot that fucker right now, yo! Captain fucker right now. Beat his ass.
We're gonna win.
Cook his ass. Oh, we only have 100 HP.
You killed him!
It's crazy.
Augs is
Kill
gone.
him.
We
It
fucking
doesn't work.
We suck.
Destroy
No.
him.
GG.
We suck.
GG.
A duel.
Okay.
Wait, what?
GG.
Okay, go back, beating his ass.
I died.
GG.
He's fucking
Give us
high,
more
dude.
Augs. Wait,
Take cover.
We're
No,
dying.
protection showdown.
Go. Let's go.
It's too black.
Let's
I
go.
want to
I'm holding
destroy him.
Beat his ass. Yes, let's fucking go. Let's fucking go, bro.
That is crazy. Azathoth is dead. I can't believe people are complaining about drops. They didn't even do
Present
it for the
rain
kill.
in
They
this
just wanted the
darkness.
drops. I did it for the kill. That was fun.
And I keep
Darkness. Fucking hell. It's all over. It's Joker.
No, he doesn't shut it down because we killed him.
Yeah, he's shutting down the server. It's Raps. It's Raps,
This
bro.
is it. I think it's just darkness forever.
It's over, bro. It's over.
It's over.
What do you mean V-join? It's lockdown. It's
Yeah,
lockdown,
lockdown.
bro.
How's
We're
disabled
so
lockdown?
fucked.
But I'm not risking leaving.